You're searching how to buy shares of Meeka Metals Ltd. Meeka Metals Ltd is an Australian mining and exploration company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker MEK.ASX. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MEK.ASX to find the correct listing. Confirm you have selected Meeka Metals Ltd from the search results. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right asset. Make sure the exchange shows CBOE AUS and the ticker MEK.ASX. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next trading session, and if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the order. After the purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. Find the link in the description if you want to follow the same example.